You will be shocked to know from which material these beautiful crafts are made. Guess these waste can be found near your villages also. I like to explain how these waste is being converted to income of family. Anagundi, a small village near Hampi in Karnataka, India, is well known for historic monuments and temples from the period of Krishna Deva Raya belonged to the Tuluva dynasty. He was the third ruler of the dynasty and ruled the Vijayanagara Empire from 1509 to 1529. He is considered one of the greatest rulers in Indian history. Well known for selling gold and diamonds on streets and later was looted by invaders from Middle East. Coming to topic in Anegundi is famous for its fiber crafts, which utilize discarded banana stems and leaves, creating a sustainable and eco-friendly handicraft industry. This initiative provides employment and income opportunities, particularly for women, while also reducing waste. The village's artisans weave various items like baskets, mats, purses, and hats from the harvested banana fibers. Let us have a look on advantages and benefits. 1. Sustainability and waste. Reduction. Anagundi's banana fiber crafts promote sustainability by repurposing banana waste, which would otherwise be discarded. This process reduces waste and minimizes the environmental impact of banana cultivation. Livelihood and women's empowerment. The craft industry in Anagundi provides a significant source of income for local villagers, especially women. Many women are involved in the weaving process, contributing to their family's economic well being and fostering a sense of empowerment. 2. Types of crafts. Anagundi's artisans create a wide range of products using banana fiber, including baskets, used for various purposes, from storage to carrying items, mats, made for use on dining tables or as floor coverings, purses and handbags, functional and decorative bags for carrying personal belongings, hats, made to provide shade, especially in warmer climates, ropes, used in various applications and also sold independently by the craftspeople, fabrics, used for clothing. 3. Impact of the initiative. The Banana Fiber Craft Initiative in Anagundi has had a positive impact on the local community, increased income for families, reduced reliance on traditional farming, improved access to education and healthcare, enhanced the cultural identity of Anagundi. In essence, Anagundi's banana fiber crafts demonstrate how sustainable practices can empower communities, reduce waste, and create unique, eco-friendly products. Each year, tons of banana plant waste are behind after harvest, but instead of letting it rot, the artisans of Anagundi have found a way to turn this waste into wonder. Anagundi's banana fiber crafts are more than just products. They're a movement, a quiet, powerful reminder that sustainability begins at the roots. This industry has also been established in Tamil Nadu and northeast states of India. If you have got some knowledge of this initiative, you can also contribute or share your knowledge to develop these type of small industries to help small families and society. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Watch my channel for more informative topics.